Hey, what's up you guys? I'm doing another vlog today. I got invited to the premiere of Fear Street, the second movie. I'm so excited. It's my first premiere ever. I was given a +1. Of course I invited my boyfriend because I love him. You know, since I'm going to this premiere, they sent me an invitation package which got to my house like scary fast. And it looks like this. I can't wait to see what's inside. I got it yesterday and I've been trying not to open it so I can open it for this video and you guys can see with me. It says pull tab. Should I just pull this tab? Why is it not? Here? You're invited! Get ready to scream at the top of your lungs as the night unfolds with spooky sights around every corner. Oh my god, it's rated R for really fucking scary. It looks like a little VHS. Here, I'm gonna show you guys the front. I think it's super cute. This middle one is the one that we're going to see. It's part of a 3-part trilogy movie. The 90s one is already on Netflix and I have seen it and it is very good. This one's based in the 70s though, which is why my hair is long. And then this is the back of it. Okay, I wanna open the inside of the box. Is it just a VHS or is it just like a, oh my god! It says, open if you dare, use the light to reveal. Is this a little flashlight? It's a UV flashlight. Look at this. Watch this. It says it's happening again. Not again. It is a slasher movie, so I'm assuming everybody's dying again. I'm keeping this forever. I'm so excited. This is gonna be fun. Let's go. We also got invited to the Fear Street Rentals Haunted House experience they set up, inspired by the movie. It was a lot of fun. I'm pretty sure it's free to go if you guys want to go. It's on West Hollywood. Here it is.
I didn't know there was an experience.
I'm excited.
I didn't know what to expect.
I don't know what to expect. There's a sign right here that says strobe and scare health warning. That's the guy from the first movie. He's cute, right?
He is cute. Fear Street. I'm feeling chilly. Do you think?
Alright, ready?
Thank you.
Hi. Do you have a rental card? No worries. Just take a couple of seconds. Fill this out.
You gotta sign up for your membership.
Blood type.
That's a lot.
What if I don't know the answer to that?
Oh, we'll find out.
Okay.
You guys need to put your names.
It's making me kind of uncomfortable. I'm not even gonna lie.
Why are you uncomfortable?
I don't know.
Nothing to worry about.
I'm fine.
We've been having a lot of blackouts as of late, so please turn on your flashlights. Stay together the whole time, okay?
Okay.
All right. If you need any help, just give us a scream. Okay?
Thank you, guys.
See you later. Maybe.
Oh, no, she said maybe. Oh!
Hey. Are we supposed to tell them about that? Oh my god, I go all the way over here.
Oh, okay. Well, maybe.
Are we supposed to be following it?
Want to try this side, baby? We didn't try this side.
Oh my god, there's a freaking man right there. There's a freaking man right there, baby.
Is it alive?
I don't know, but there's blood splatters all over the walls. Oh, there's more blood splatters. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh my god! Maybe no! Maybe I'm kind of scared.
You gotta breathe.
Maybe, but I'm scared.
We got spoons.
But I swear to God, there's gonna be another freaking bitch in there. It says staff only. I'm not part of the staff.
Oh, I'm so dumb.
Thanks for coming at such late notice. We had some campers quit because they saw blood messages on the walls. I don't know. You guys let me know if you see.
What? There's one right there.
Oh, wait.
Oh my God.
Oh!
No! Don't let him in here.
What? It's okay, campers. It's okay. It's just probably another student.
Yeah.
So we should probably just head out.
Yeah.
What?
Follow you.
There's a lot of whispers. Hey. I'll hold it.
You wanna hold it?
I'm holding this camera though. Baby, I'm scared. Oh my god, that was crazy.
That was insane.
How did they even make that happen? Look guys, they give us this little bag.
That was awesome.
Yeah.
I really like that.
We just went through the walkthrough. It's kind of like a haunted house, as you can tell.
Okay, and let's kill some kids.
You guys, just finished the premiere. We just finished the premiere. It was so good.
It was so awesome.
I've never seen a slasher movie like that, because it is a slasher movie. It's a 3-part trilogy. We've already watched the first movie. The premiere was for the second one. The third one's not released yet. It was pretty good. But I will see you guys next time. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I am officially home from the movie. I'm super tired, but it was so much fun. I just wanted to pop in real quick to tell you to like and leave a comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell on everything. Why not? Hit that notification bell on everything. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. Thank you for coming to the premiere with me. It was so much fun. Bye.